Hi, so today we're going to be looking at how to draft charges in the high courts in the South, in the High Court of the FCT, and the High Court of Lagos State. Now, the way of drafting charges in those courts are by information, all right? And when we talk about an information, don't have it confused with the first information report, which we spoke about in the magistrate in the North. All right, an information is drafted in this manner that you see on the screen now. In terms of the structure, it has what we can refer to as the preamble. And then after the preamble, you have two paragraphs. The first paragraph being the statement of offense, and the second paragraph being the particulars of offense. Now, when you look at the preamble, you can see that the preamble basically gives you a synopsis, all right, a summary of the proceedings taking place in the court on that day, all right. So it says at the session of the High Court of Enugu State holding at Enugu on so and so day, the court is informed by the Attorney General on behalf of the state that Maxwell Oboli is charged with the following offense. So that is what the preamble does. It gives you that summary, that synopsis of the proceedings taking place in the court. And then you have your first paragraph, which is the statement of offense, which would state the offense that the accused person or the defendant is being tried for. And then you have the particulars of offense, which would now provide you with the full gist of the offense, all right? The date, the place, the property the person stole, or the person killed, or whatever it is he must have done. So this is the structure of the draft in the in the High Court in the South, in the High Court of the FCT, and the High Court of Lagos State. Of course, the peculiarities that we can point out in respect of the High Courts of Lagos and the FCT is that, in Lagos State, the prosecutor would be referred to as the state of Lagos and not as the state, like you would find in our drafts in the other state courts. It's the state of Lagos, while in the FCT, the prosecutor would be referred to as the Federal Republic of Nigeria. All right. So those are the differences that you have in terms of the substance of the draft. But apart from that, it's exactly the same thing because they are all by information. So I hope you've enjoyed learning something today, and I'll see you another time. Bye-bye.